I talked about learning about local history. There's always something to learn there about your local, state, regional, or national history. Go to more museums. Have more interactive engagements. Learn about the plants and animals in your local environment that maybe you're not aware of. Those are always changing too. Be part of a gardening group, or there are all these wonderful sorts of local support groups where you can learn about what grows well here or what problems the neighbors are having with this predator or this pest or whatever it is that can keep us live and current living in the present world and learning stuff now.